guys, I'm WadC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a TIFON TF50. It's by IFAM. I think they're made in Spain. It's a 5-pin 50mm padlock. Not done much picking recently due to having to wear this due to an injury at work where I dislocated my thumb and bust a tendon along there, so picking has not been done. This is the first lock I've really picked. It hurts, but I need to get back in the game. That's the packaging for it. So I do apologise for the length of the video. The tension wrench I'm going to use is this one, firm favourite. I'm going to use a Peterson gem. And that's the bitting on the keys. Keys working. That hurts just doing that. Locked up. Start right at the back, work to the front. It does have spool pins in, so it drops into falsets. Dropped over really well. It's picked open with a bit of pain from the thumb. So that's the TIFON TF50mm padlock, single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.